Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is top-level nouns. Very difficult for level 3 students. Top level in our program is 6,001 words up to 8,400. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. They are in a canoe on the lake. This is a small boat. The driver will do a at the next intersection. This is when you change your direction 180 degrees. A U-turn. It's the same as the letter U. You're going back the other way. She wants to study next year in college. Philosophy. It's the study of the nature and meaning of life. He calls his wife honey. It is a term of. This is a feeling of liking or loving somebody very much. Affection. This is from the business world. You can sell more stuff if you do more. This is the activity of presenting your product. Marketing. You have to do more marketing. This painting is of his true feelings. This is the act of showing something in a particular way. Representation. From the verb to represent. They will do a full tomorrow. This is the act of forming an opinion about something, about the quality or the amount or the value. Evaluation. From the verb to evaluate something. Things change fast in the computer industry, in the high-tech industry. There is lots of. This is the introduction of new things and new ways to do things. There's lots of innovation. We also have the verb to innovate something and the adjective innovative. She can't walk right now. She's got a in her leg. This is when your muscles contract, and it can be quite painful. A cramp in her leg. Especially it's a problem for athletes. Our nation is. Can you pronounce it? Sovereign. That's the adjective. It means the ability to govern yourself as a nation. We have, what's the noun? Sovereignty is the noun. See you next time. Hello, new students. My name is Vinny. I'm from Canada. Please see our website for more information about us.